Hi, I'm Joan Lok. Due to popular request, I'm going to do my cherry blossom workshop again. So in this workshop, we will work on painting cherry blossom, not only in an outline method, but also in a boneless method, freehand stroke. So in this workshop, we'll talk about the anatomy, the structure of the flower. We will talk details of how to paint the flower, not just in one angle, but different angles, and also work on how to paint it in the freehand stroke, not only for the single, but also for the double. And on top of that, I will also talk about, for example, how to do the branches, how to do the tree trunk, and what are the special characteristics. And everybody who know me would know that I actually live in the Maryland Metro DC area for more than 20 years and have been heavily involved in the annual National Cherry Blossom Festival. So painting the blossom is actually a thing of mine every time when spring comes. And as a matter of fact, I've been invited to do various demonstration on painting cherry blossom during the festival at hotels, conventions, and various festival and celebrations. So this is a really dear thing of mine. So even after I move away from the Metro DC area, I still want to paint cherry blossom every time when they are in bloom. So I hope to see you when cherry blossom are in bloom somewhere in Japan, Washington, DC, and across the country in various parts. So hope to see you painting cherry blossoms in this really wonderful workshop of painting these beautiful flowers. So hope to see you. Thank you. Bye-bye.